Dancehall recording artist Dovey Magnum has been detained by Immigration and Custom Enforcement Agency ICE in Atlanta. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Without no delay, let me just get straight into the meat of the matter of what's to come on the program. So the ball-out singer Dovey Magnum is actually reportedly being held in a detention facility by ICE in Atlanta, Georgia. Now this has triggered a whole entire social media rejoicing about the whole entire situation, and actually just a few commenting and giving their own personal opinion about what really transpired. But all I can say is that I just wish Dovey Magnum all the best. I hope that she's able to pull through this difficult situation that she has gotten herself with at this current moment, and she's not actually the first person to have gotten themselves with immigration issues just so far, because recently you had internet sensation Pretty Don, who was a part of that, and then you had Footer Hype as well, who was actually a part of that situation. So I can't see why people would want to rejoice about her being in a detention center based on immigration violation. But that is just how people are. They want to see you down. They don't want to see you progress to greater heights. But I'm just wishing her all the best, and I hope that she does get through with whatever problem that she's having at current. But let me just update you with the latest that I have in relation to what really transpired and what might have led to her detention in the ICE facility in Atlanta, Georgia. So the dancehall artist Dovey Magnum is being held at a U.S. Immigration and Custom Enforcement Agency ICE detention center in Atlanta, Georgia. A search conducted via online detainee locator revealed that the ball-out singer born Simsky Kimberly Harrison is in custody at the Stewart Detention Center in that state. It is alleged that the entertainer was detained for immigration violation, but we could not confirm that information as the website did not provide details of the specified case against her at current. Dovey Magnum detainment means the singer may be unable to attend Purity All-White Weekend Bash in Florida, slated for this Sunday. She was also scheduled to headline the event alongside Dexter Dapp. A written request to interview Harrison has been sent to the ICE Atlanta field office. According to the ICE website, the media could be granted permission to interview a detainee by sending a written request to ICE, Office of the Enforcement Removal Operation. The detainee, however, reserved the right to deny the request. So that's the latest that we have in relation to this matter as it relates to Dovey Magnum at current. And she was actually slated to perform at a number of shows in the United States at current, and it's this weekend per se, and she's actually in the detention facility today. So she was supposed to headline a show with Dexter Daps, and at current she's actually being held. So we're not sure what's to come based on this. However, we're just hoping that she does pull through this difficult situation, and hopefully that everything can be sorted out in short order so she can be back on the road. As you know, Dovey Magnum had a major success with her song Ball Out, which has propelled her name right across all Caribbean aspects and also in the United States as well. Some might have stated that she's a one-hit wonder, but guess what? I don't believe in one hit, because at the end of the day, you just want to know that you created a music that reached, or would I say cemented itself for some time in the world, and the song Ball Out really did really well for her, and she actually created a name for herself within the music space of dancehall. You have many singers out there that is trying to find that one hit, and they have tried for years and they have not even given the glimpse of a chance of getting that one hit. So if Dovey Magnum have a one hit, nothing is wrong with that. She is a great artist, and she actually created a song that many could vibe to for months and even up to date. If that song is drawn in any party, you can still hold a vibes to it. So much respect goes out to you, Dovey Magnum, and I hope that it all works out well for you. All right, this is where we're gonna leave this one here for now though, but if any more information come, we'll try to update you in relation to that. This has been Links 007 TV. Peace out and bless, and thanks for watching Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. If it's the first time you're watching, just remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest celebrity news. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family. As always, peace out.